let me share with you some tips for cleaning the charging port or USB-C port on your Samsung Galaxy A17 with some household items. So the first thing that you can do before you start cleaning the port is to turn off your phone. You always power it down before cleaning to avoid short circuits. And now another thing is that you can use, for example, a wooden or plastic toothpick. You can gently insert it into the port, scrape out lint, dust or debris with light motions. You want to avoid metal items like paper clips or needles because they can bend pins or cause shorts. If you have compressed air, it will be pretty great as well to blow out some, for example, dust from the port. However, if you don't have a compressed air can, you can try blowing lightly into the port through a clean straw. You want to avoid using your mouth directly because moisture can harm the port. And you can also use a soft, or actually a dry, soft bristle toothbrush to gently brush inside edges. And you do not want to use water or cleaning agents. And also you can roll a tiny ball of adhesive putty like poster tack, for example. You can lightly press it against the port opening to lift dust. However, make sure that no putty residue stays inside. Now, in terms of items that you should avoid using are, once again, metal items like metal pins, needles, paper clips, and so on, because you risk of scratching or bending ports inside. You definitely don't want to use liquids like water, alcohol, or cleaning sprays inside the port. You can use a cotton swab outside of the port, for example, if the port outside over here is somewhat dirty, and then you can use cotton swabs with isopropyl alcohol, but it is recommended to not put it inside the port. Because if you insert a cotton swab inside, well, they can shed fibers. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.